The 2026 Isuzu Trooper is back, blending rugged utility with modern sophistication. This SUV boasts a bold and muscular exterior design, featuring a stunning, ultra-shiny glow-black finish that exudes elegance and power. The front end showcases a striking grille with chrome accents flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The sharp lines and sculpted bodywork give the Trooper a robust and adventurous stance, making it perfect for both city streets and off-road trails. Under the hood, the 2026 Trooper offers a powerful yet efficient engine, delivering impressive performance and reliability. Whether you choose the turbocharged gasoline or the advanced hybrid option, the Trooper ensures a smooth and responsive drive. The all-wheel drive system, paired with advanced traction control, enhances stability and confidence in various terrains and weather conditions. The suspension system has been finely tuned to offer a balance between comfort and off-road capability, providing a pleasant experience on highways and challenging trails alike. Inside, the Isuzu Trooper offers a luxurious and spacious cabin designed for comfort and practicality. The dashboard features a clean and modern design, equipped with a high-resolution infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is fully digital, offering customizable displays and crucial driving information. The rear seats provide ample legroom and can be adjusted or folded to maximize cargo space. Premium materials, including leather upholstery and soft touch surfaces, contribute to the upscale feel of the interior. Safety is a priority in the 2026 Trooper, with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle also includes a 360-degree camera system, which is particularly useful for parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Additionally, the Trooper's build quality and reinforced frame offer enhanced protection for passengers in the event of a collision. Overall, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is a versatile and capable SUV that meets the needs of modern drivers. It combines a rugged exterior with a refined interior, advanced technology, and strong performance, making it an excellent choice for families, adventurers, and anyone seeking a reliable and stylish vehicle. The Trooper continues Isuzu's legacy of durability and practicality, now with a fresh and modern twist that appeals to a broad audience.